So here we have the Citroen DS3 1.2 design on a 14 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as you can see from the back of the car, we have a 60/40 split folding rear seat and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. These seats are in great condition. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, we have the speedometer in the middle, and on the far right you can see the total miles on this car are 15,833, and we have the fuel gauge over there as well. Over in the centre console area we have the main display for the stereo system, beneath which we've got the air conditioning. I'm going to come back to the air conditioning in a moment. I just want to talk about the remainder of the stereo. So if I push that button, you can see that I can change the frequency and way in which we can listen to music in this car. So you can see we have an auxiliary input as well as AM and FM radio, and this car's got a CD player as well. Every push of this source button will take us around the various different ways in which we can listen to music, and you can see the CD player just there. We then have the air conditioning in the middle here. So fan speed is adjustable through this middle dial, temperature through this one, direction of the air over here. Hit that button to turn the air conditioning on or off, so it's on when that light is on. That button will recirculate the air that's in the car currently, and that's your rear heated screen just there. We then have a 5-speed manual gearbox, and next to the gearbox we have a 12-volt charging socket and the auxiliary input that I mentioned previously. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.